the Tractor Cab, original Tractor Cab company, the 3025 Eagle, the B160 loader. Today it's about 15 degrees, wind chill about 3 times. So I'm just going to talk about this cab. It's pretty feasible for what it does. Climb up to the side here. Alright, so pretty spacious. And you go look right here. This is the heater they include for free. It doesn't do a whole lot for you. You don't expect a heater like you have to buy your car or something. But hey, it's better than nothing, and they included it. One thing I want to note, this red light right here, if the direct wire does not turn off. And on this side of the tractor, the battery that's in here, it will drain the battery in a day or two. So I take my wires, I got a quick disconnect right here so I can disconnect it when I'm not using it. And instead of screwing it up somewhere as a mounted, I just kind of zip tie it right here. It's basically, I can slide it around. A lot of times I'll move it over here if it's real cold, and I'm using my levers a lot to help, keep that one hand going. A little downfall to the cab. The skirting doesn't fit real tight around the edges, so right here I've got some makeshift rags. I mean, it's pretty hard to get it to fit around this, but I just tossed those in there to kind of block a little wind from there. And we picked these up, these are 97 cents a piece, and just to try to seal up the tractor a little bit. My son rides in here, so I put them up here for a little bit of safety. It's just pipe insulation to get it closed. It's like 97 cents. Right back here, you'll see some snow blown in. Winds were pretty good pretty high last night, and it did blow it in here. But I mean, I gotta say, for one, I spent on this thing about $1,000 for this tractor. The cab cost about $1,000, and I mean, it's well worth it. I can get out and do my work. I mean, getting the wind off of you is a huge, big difference. This little heater, I mean, by the time you're in here an hour or two, or about an hour, it starts at least knocking some of the chill off. But you can still see it's cold. It's cold today. But I mean, I could be out here with no cab, no shelter. A lot of the tops that you look to buy, they're like $500 alone, $600, and it's pretty sturdy. The install says, I think about 6 hours or something. It didn't take me that long. It was pretty quick. I think the only thing that helped me up was finding an Allen wrench. I've got plenty of tools. I was a diesel technician, but just didn't have the right size on hand at the time. But overall, I mean, cruising speed down the road and everything, getting the wind off of you, it's real nice, real nice. Today, I'm just basically out riding around on the tractor, and it makes it a little enjoyable being able to get out here and be in the snow and not have to be freezing to death. But it's not a factory cab setup. Some people may review it as that, think the heater's going to be super awesome. You can get better heaters. If you're farther up north, I'm in Virginia in the Appalachian Mountains. I don't see much more than me needing this, but if I was in Minnesota or Michigan, I'd probably go ahead and get a heater that tied into my water system. I've seen some guys on YouTube that have built their own, and I'm sure, who knows, I might do that just if I get bored one day. But this cab is worth it. So downfalls, I wish the doors would come off a little quicker and easier, or I wish it had a zipper around at least one window, because here our temperature changes up and down. Today, we've got 15 degrees, snowing, and coming up this week we're supposed to be 60. So today I might be pushing snow, and later this week bush hogging. I don't want to take the whole cab apart, but it's a lot of window. When it's sunny, it will get hot again. So I'm probably going to take it to somebody. I got a job I'm doing for somebody. I'm going to see if they can put a zipper in for me, and that will make a lot nicer, more convenient. Not have to take the doors off, just be able to unzip it, get a little airflow. Be careful sealing up the cab too tight, because you could, when you do get some fumes in here from the bottom, where you're not sealed. So if you seal all that up and then you get fumes, you got to have a little ventilation going on in this tractor. But I'm pleased with it. I think it was a good investment for me. If I can get 2 or 3 years out of the cab itself, it'll be good. I'm already thinking about ordering the windshield and the wiper kit for it. So real quick, let's just say, let's go with pros. Keeps you out of the cold, keeps you dry, keeps wind off of you, gives you a little confined, a little space to, if you're throwing mud or anything, it kind of keeps that stuff off of you. Negative sides, it's not sealed as tight as I'd like it. I wish I had the zippers on the windows. It's about the other thing, the negative right here, where that light is, when you're driving at night, it really kind of comes through that window. So I'm not saying the Tractor Cab company needs to do anything, but because I need that visibility during the day, but I'm probably going to get something to kind of, block that when you're driving. Good investment. Good investment. I'd buy another one.